All right, I'm here with Kevin Riley. Tell them what we're gonna do today, Kevin.
Drink beer.
Drink beer. This is Chris. I'm standing in front of the World Beer Museum here, which is connected to Osaka Station. This is a very, very popular place. I haven't been here for 7 years. In fact, I'm coming into Osaka for a e-com related event. Guys, you don't know, e-com is my main thing. This channel is just a side hustle, side gig. But anyway, I'm here for an event related to that, and I sort of hit my friend Kevin and said, let's do some Osaka videos like we always do.
Yeah, actually I hadn't been here for a long time because I live in Osaka, so it's just on the wrong side of the station for me. It's like, I would never get over here. And I said, hey, why don't we go check that place out? Because he does beers in Japan, and guess what? Look at all the beer.
It'll be interesting though, because 7 years ago we came here, and I don't think I ate a lot of food, but today we're gonna eat food. We decided to do lunch here as well, so it'll be interesting to see how the food is.
German food.
ビールは何個ぐらいあるんですか？
ビールはね、ドラフトで10種類あります。
10種類、
はい、
タップで。
はい、タップで10種類です。ボトルビールだと今だったら60種類。
60種類。
はい、ありますので。はい。
Alright, so I just asked them, they have 10 beers on tap and 60 beers on bottle. So it's quite a selection. I thought it would be more than that. Alright, so lately in Japan, this is becoming very popular. So you come in here and they got these QR codes. You literally take your camera and you load the app. Oh, it's okay, anyway. How about that?
Oh, there we go, that looks good.
There we go. All right, so now we're here.
Yeah.
We're about to have our big beers for lunch at like 1:30. Which one did you get?
I got the Milchweisse. German beer.
Here we go. See, Kevin got that one right there. I don't know how clear it's going to come in on the camera there. And I got their local lager, which actually they self-brewed their lager, so they actually make some of the beers themselves. We're doing draft beer. Cheers. We have some sausages here, and the menu is just incredible. They actually have Chinese food in the back, which I don't know how good Chinese food would be at a German. It's a German themed, supposedly German themed beer museum, but at the same time, they also have German food here. They also have pizza, which I'm trying, which is more of American.
And sausages.
Oh, here we go. Some food just came. Let's check this out. This is a potato salad. Oh, look at this puppy. Pretty decent. This is about $4 for this.
Yeah, no.
I will be honest with you guys here. This is a bit pricey compared to other standard restaurants in Japan. But you're paying for the atmosphere. You're paying for the whole beer quality. They got really good meat. So yeah, you want to come here prepared if there's two of you to spend $100. But hey, it's a good fun event.
If I bought this without the bacon, if I just bought this potato salad this size in my local supermarket, I'd be paying about 190 yen. So
this is 500 yen. This is 2 or 3 times more. Yeah.
Well, you're in a restaurant. Of course, it's going to be at least double.
I
Gotta be at least.
As one of the viewers understand that, look, this is a great place. The food's awesome. It's my second time being here.
Cool.
Came with my girlfriend many years ago. Good atmosphere, but you got to come here prepared to spend some money.
And they got cool guys on the screen.
Absolutely hilarious. We're in this beer bar, and look at that. There's my channel on the TV. How funny is that? That's Beers in Japan YouTube channel here showing at the pub. I can't believe that they have my show on the screen. That's incredible. They didn't tell us they're going to do that. All right, so let's dig in. So Kevin, let us know what you think of the salad here.
Let's have a little bit of this. See, oh look at that. I mean, the bacon looks great. I mean, look at those. Those are big, meaty chunks of bacon. Yeah, it's a German potato salad.
So this is the sausage, and it looks really good. And we're gonna let our guest here, Kevin, let us know how he likes the sausage.
All right, well, let's get a little bit of mustard on there first of all.
Yeah, you have to have the mustard.
Let's give it a try. Ready? Look at that. A little bit of mustard on there. It's that full seed mustard. Oh yeah.
From a Swiss German perspective, you grew up eating this.
Yeah.
How does it compare?
Good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's a good German sausage. It's a Nürnberger.
So the pizza comes and you gotta actually cut it yourself.
Was that fun? How do we get this corner? There we go. All right. Look look at this, professional cutting by Kuma's Kitchen, yay!
He's got the coolest channel on recipe, cooking, and all that stuff. It's fun. I've been on there. It's called Kuma's Kitchen. I want you to check it out. And he's also got a newer channel. Kevin, why don't you tell him about your new channel?
Well, Glimpses of Osaka is basically about Osaka. Sometimes I do go outside the city of Osaka, but that's because Osaka is also Osaka Prefecture. Osaka's got a lot of weird things, so it's a lot of fodder still for more videos to come.
This is a totally unplanned, I guess you would call this PS?
Yeah, that's PS.
PS, extra, post-strip extra. So we're literally next door, right? And he saw us doing this video, the person who runs this place, and this is the World Wine Museum. So that was the World's Beer Museum. And he said, come do a video about our place. And I had to tell him the truth. I just don't drink wine, period. So I'm not doing that. But what I will do is promote your video as part of the beers video.
Yeah.
So he said 25.
He's 25 on the and he had about
tap.
100, 100 different ones from all countries all over the place.
And so think of this, 25 wines on tap. If you're a wine drinker, that's awesome. Plus over 100 bottles of different types of beer. And they have Swiss beer.
Wine. This guy, beer.
Sorry, they had wine. They had
Wine.
20 types of Swiss. They had Swiss wine too, right?
He even has Swiss, although Swiss wine was on the other page. I was not happy about that, of course, but hey, what can we do?
Swiss wine's not the main thing, but
We don't have big wines.
the food's a bit different than what you guys saw at the other place. They have more hams and stuff. All right, so when you're in Osaka, you check out the beer museum. You can also check out the wine museum and enjoy. A lot of fun you can have here right next to the station.
Exactly. Come
Cheers.
on in.